Come back, dear students. Now I am going to show you the uses of do verb in simple future tense. Look at the examples I have given here. I shall do the work. I subject, shall, thereafter do. Main verb first form or MV1, thereafter object or others. Second one, John will go there. John subject, will, go. Go, it is MV1 or main verb first form. Thereafter there it is others. And these are all assertive, affirmative structure. Now if I want to change them into assertive, negative, then the first one will be I shall not. I shall not do the work. I shall not do the work. Second one, John will go there. John will not go there. John will not go there. That means for changing them into assertive negative, we have to place not just after shall or will. In this way we can change them into assertive negative. Now if I want to change them into interrogative affirmative, then the first one will be shall I do the work? Shall I do the work? Question mark. And second one also, will John go there? Will John go there? Question mark. Shall I do the work? Question mark. Will John go there? Question mark. That means to change into interrogative affirmative, we have to place shall or will just before the subject. Shall or will just before the subject, and at last question mark. In this way we can change them into interrogative affirmative form. Now I will change them into negative interrogative or interrogative negative structure. Interrogative negative structure. First one, I shall do the work. Shall I not do the work? Question mark. Shall I not do the work? Or shan't I do the work? Question mark. Shall I not do the work? Question mark. Or shan't I do the work? That means to change into interrogative negative, we have to note if the subject is noun or pronoun. Here I, it is subject pronoun. That means not will be placed just after the subject. But if we use shortened form like this, we can use it before any subject. And at last question mark. Similarly, second one, the second sentence, John will go there. This sentence also we can change into interrogative negative in the same way. John will go there. Will not John go there? Question mark. Or we can write in this way also, won't John go there? Question mark. Second sentence, John will go there. We can change into interrogative negative in this way. Will not John go there? Question mark. Or won't John go there? Question mark. In interrogative negative, we have to note if the subject is noun or pronoun. Here John, it is subject noun. That's why not is used before the subject if we use full form. But if we use shortened form, then also we can use it before any subject. That's why won't is used before any subject. Here John noun. And at last question mark. In this way we can change this type of sentences from assertive affirmative to assertive negative, and thereafter into interrogative affirmative, and thereafter into interrogative, negative.